The next generation Insight 7000 series represents a breakthrough in standalone vision systems, providing unprecedented performance, flexibility, and ease of integration. Combining the best of the best industry-proven technologies, the next generation 7000 series vision system is the most versatile vision system available. It handles the harshest environments with Insight 5000-like toughness. It features a die-cast aluminum housing, sealed M12 connectors, and protective lens covers with IP67 rated protection. It offers seamless system integration, inheriting S-mount and C-mount lens options from the original Insight 7000, integrated lights, a completely new autofocus option, as well as internal and external light control. Like the Insight 8000 vision system, the next generation Insight 7000 series delivers industry-leading performance with high-speed acquisition and a powerful library of DSP-optimized vision tools, including PatMax redline pattern matching and Surface FX for highlighting surface details. Also, the next generation Insight 7000 gets a boost with multi-core processing to keep up with increasing line speeds. The next generation Insight 7000 series incorporates DataMan 360-like versatility, lighting options, a 360-degree visual indicator light, and manual trigger tune buttons simplify setup and provide immediate status feedback. An SD card provides additional data storage for saving images, data, jobs, and application settings. Like the Insight 2000 vision sensor, the next generation Insight 7000 series offers a patent-pending LED ring light that produces even, diffuse illumination across the entire image, eliminating the need for costly external lighting. A variety of light colors, optical filters, and polarizers can be easily swapped in to meet specific application requirements. Thanks to the modular design of the Insight 7000 series, you can now build your own custom vision solution. It's easy to use. From image capture to final result, EasyBuilder guides you through the simple step-by-step application setup. Powerful, flexible, intuitive. The next generation Insight 7000 series, the best of the best technology to help you build your vision.